Hey guys, this is Andy over here. I just wanted to do a quick video and kind of show you how to use this product over here. This is copper solvent next formula. I don't know, I've been reloading these 147 grain bullets here, and yeah, so they're coated with this, I don't know, some sort of a polymer or something. So what I've noticed is I think this is getting gummed up with all of this residue. So I think the easiest fix is to get some of this on there. Never used it, but we'll see how it goes. Real quick, I want to show you what I'm going to be cleaning up today. This is my Ruger sr9C compact. I actually like it a lot. Clear the gun there for you. So I'm basically going to just use some cotton swabs, get in there, some of these old cleaning patches. That's what I'm using today. First thing you're going to do is disassemble your firearm. So with this guy, I'll show you kind of how you do that. Put this guy away. I like to use something like this because on this side, you'll see it's got this little button. Push down on there. All right, there you go. You can kind of see right there. You pull this pin out. Right inside, you've got this lever here. I'm not sure what it's called, but go ahead and flip that down. From there, you can just disassemble the slide pretty easy. Set that to the side there. Here's where we have all the other components. I ended up on this guy switching it out to a stainless steel guide rod. I found that it actually helped quite a bit when it came to accuracy instead of that plastic one. So yeah, great investment there. Now what I'm going to end up doing on this guy here is show you through a Borescope and see how bad it's actually gotten in there. I don't know if this camera will focus, but like I said, I've been shooting these lead cast bullets and they're just a 1/10 of a centimeter wider than the normal 9mm bullets. A 9mm bullet is usually 0.355 and these actually come out to 0.356. So my guess is that that extra little thickness from that coating is just gumming up my barrel. So I ended up going to the hardware store and picking up some of this copper and powder fouling solvent. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'm actually going to be using the Klein Borescope. Funny thing is, I actually use this for work, so works out perfect. Not affiliated or sponsored by Klein, but if you guys want to sponsor me, let me know. Okay, guys, so over here, here's what I got here is a little Borescope flashlight. So I'll let you kind of see what I'm seeing over here. I'm going to set this down. Kind of hard to do with the camera. Alright, so already we can see, you see all that residue in there? That is definitely a lot of copper fouling there. Oh boy. See if I can kind of zoom in here. There's a lot going on here, so I'm hoping that this solvent here will break down a lot of that copper fouling because I love this gun. You know, this is one of my first guns that I ever got, and I want to take care of it. So I'm going to show you guys how to clean this guy, hopefully get as much of that copper fouling out of this firearm here. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm going to set some of these cleaning pads here to the side. You never know how many you're going to use. If you're like me, I just end up going through a lot more than I think I'm going to. This is just the old Hobbs cleaning kit set that I've got here. If I can't get this all the way out, yeah, you guys are gonna have to help me out in the comments below. What do you guys use to get all that fouling out of there? Okay, let's grab some of this. You know, you really should be wearing gloves when you're handling this kind of stuff, but whatever. Okay, so the solution's been on there for about 5 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and switch out of this brush, and I'm gonna switch over to my jag, and I'll show you why. Boy, I'm really just gonna go back to that brush and get as much of those particulates out of there as possible. All right, so we have a lot of that solution in there. Boy, it's swimming. Some guys have a huge problem against this, and that's going back against the grain. But, you know, honestly, for as long as I've had this gun, and I've been cleaning it the same exact way every single time. So, yeah, I don't think it makes too much of a difference. As long as you get the crud out of there, I don't think going back and forth is going to damage the gun at all, but shoot, what do I know? All right, and to finish it off, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and throw some of this good old Hops number 9 down the tube, and I mean, shoot, I don't think it'll hurt, so let's go ahead and coat some of that in there. Look how you can see how black that is after running patch after patch through there. So I'm really glad I'm doing both. I think I got a lot of that copper fouling out of there, but boy, this barrel was just nasty. I think I ran just about 400 rounds that I reloaded the other night through this gun and haven't cleaned it, so this thing's a champ. I like this thing sopping wet. Get everything you can full of this solvent. I mean, looking a lot cleaner than when we started, you guys. I went ahead and ran some of that solution through here, looped through barrel, and my goodness, I could not believe it, you guys. It is a lot cleaner. This is the cleanest job I've ever done when it came to that copper fouling. Boy, usually I go rounds and rounds with this thing, but I don't know. I'm a believer. I think this copper solvent over here definitely did the job in half the time, I'd say. So, I mean, hey, I recommend this stuff, especially if you're going to be shooting these lead bullets that are just have this coating on them. I got about 500 of them for free, so shoot, I figured I might as well reload some of them. I'm going to be doing a mini series where I reload this 223 round over here, and then I'm going to show you guys how to reload this behemoth 7mm Remington Magnum. So super fun round to reload. Let me know what questions you guys have. I'm going to be doing a mini series on both of these rounds, so stay tuned for that. Like and subscribe, guys, if you like my content. Oh, there we go. There's my barrel. Go ahead and pop that guy in there. Get your guide rod. Put it in that little recessed corner there. And now, shoot, you're just about halfway there. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put this pin right in that hole. Now, if you remember when we first started, we took that little flange piece out of there. Well, we just moved it forward, really. Just stick your finger in there, push it right back, rack the slide, and you're good to go. Ooh, that's stiff. Okay, let's put some oil on this thing. What I like to do is just kind of get my cloth here. Keep that to the side. I'm using the Hoppies, whatever you like to say, lubricating gun oil. Now with this, I just put a little bit on the top here. Rub that in. Rack the slide back. No mag. Nothing in the chamber. Alright, so what I like to do here is just put a little bit of oil right on top of the barrel. Yeah, there you go. Give that a good wipe. Alright, and that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching.